there, future coder. Before we start, ask your parent to download the Thonny app for you. There's a link in the requirements section of this class. If you already have it, great. Let's get familiar with it first. Think of Thonny as your special book where you'll write instructions for the computer. Every time you type something in it, the computer will follow your commands. Sounds exciting, right? When you open Thonny, you'll see two main boxes. Box 1. This is where you'll write your code. Think of it as your notebook for giving the computer instructions. Box 2. This is where the computer will respond. Whatever command you give, this box will show the result. Once you've written your code, click on the green play button, just like in this video, to run it and see what happens. Now that we know how Thonny works, let's start coding. Remember how we learned that computers follow instructions? Well, today, we're going to write our very own instructions for the computer. How cool is that? But here's something interesting. Computers don't understand English like we do. Instead, they use their own special language. One of the easiest ones is called Python. Don't worry, it has nothing to do with snakes. Now let's write our first program. When we want a computer to show something on the screen, we use a special command called print. Here's how it looks. When you type this and press play, the computer will show "Hello World" on the screen. That's because you gave it clear instructions. Now, let's try it. Open your Thonny app, type that line, and press the green play button. Wow, did you see that? The computer listened to you. That means you just wrote your first piece of code. How exciting is that? But let's make it even more fun. Erase "Hello World" and type something else. Maybe "Hello Best Friend," or even "I love ice cream." And just like that, you're coding. Feels great, right? Next time, we'll learn about variables. It sounds like a big word, but don't worry, I'll make it super easy. This is just the beginning. I can't wait to see what you create. See you next time.